Walsh, nigga.
Yeah.
Yeah. X, what up?
X, what up?
Anything on to that, huh, nigga? Yeah. Shit right out right here. Yeah.
Super radical on my clothing. Even though I know death's closing in. Gregory Peck just like an omen. Niggas call me Tony, but that's the old me. I ain't an OG, I'm a young nigga smoking on some good weed, hugged up with some bad women. And you won't live that life, so nigga, we ain't fucking with you. We in the kitchen, eating on a full stomach. I hear your tummy growling, I'm thinking nothing of it. I live above the sky with some good strange. I do the most cause any minute it can all change. They think my style strange, I think they all the same. Strawberry lemonade, come and taste my wave. I own things, nigga complain. Purple rain, nature boy gang. Nigga stay in your own lane. And y'all really got it fucked up, acting like a nigga really give a fuck. Nature boy gang, yeah, that's what's up. Nigga, I'm gone, I don't give a fuck. And that ain't what y'all really want. Be that nigga in the club tryna get fucked. Fuck them all, that's my new motto. Rest in power to my friends, I'll see you tomorrow. Hard to swallow, that's how I'm living. All my girls poison, word to Michael Bivins. I'm getting fucked up, sipping 3 for 5s. Storm swooped me in the van, so I had to ride. Hopped inside, I'm too high to die. But the weed man just committed homicide. All my niggas say, Twan, you ain't living right. I just shrug it off, just trying to live my life. Tomorrow ain't promised, I ain't gon' think twice. I ain't gon' party like it's just any other night. The one who laughs loud always cry the hardest, regardless if they were smart enough to solve all the problems. Bad girls between my blankets. If she got a man, nigga, I ain't say shit. Young niggas got it fucked up, acting like a nigga really give a fuck. Nature boy gang, yeah, that's what's up. Nigga, I'm gone, I don't give a fuck.